Hello, good morning guys. Yeah, it has been the longest time since I last vlogged, and I'm really sorry guys. Today is Monday. School has been busy. I've been writing tests like every single week since when I resumed, so that is why it has been like very difficult for me to like balance both this YouTube thing and school thing. Like, it was just a lot of things, and I don't want medical school to take away YouTube from me, because it has literally taken a lot of things, my emotional stability, everything. It has taken almost everything, so I don't want it to also take this one away from me. So guys, I'm late actually, but this is my outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing to class today. As you know, we have to dress corporate because that is just our school rules and reg. But yeah guys, I'm really hoping that the test I have today doesn't hold, because I am legit not prepared for that test. Like, well, our class rep did say it's not going to hold, but he's also more like uncertain. I'm in the toilet, that's why I can see sponge and everything, so that's why he's kind of uncertain. But aside that, yeah, this is a vlog guys. I just needed to start the introduction of this vlog so that while I'm in school I can maybe just be vlogging here and there. I'm almost late guys, so I will see you guys in school. Bye. You like poop too much. You should come, let's go. We don't want to come. Hello guys, good evening. Guys, I'm sorry I've not been vlogging. I've been very busy. Everywhere has just been so chaotic for me. I just hope that I'm in frame, and I just hope you guys can see me now, because I don't want to take the shot again. It's currently 6:32. Just that I'm like looking into my laptop. My laptop time is kind of fast, but just know it's around 6 something, and I'm still reporting my practical. Today is Sunday. I have to submit it tomorrow, and oh my god, I hate video practicals because it takes a lot of time to report, and I have like tests this week. Guys, I've not been vlogging because I've been having either one engagement or the other throughout. Like since I resumed, I've just been writing tests like back to back, so it's kind of very difficult for me to like find that balance. Let me just show you guys what I've been doing. Guys, I'm so stressed. Like, I haven't even read for the test I have on Tuesday. I've read for the one on Thursday. I still need to like finish up on that one because I only read what the lecturer gave. I still have to read some other material because biochem is biochemistry and they are changing a lot of things, so I don't want it to really affect me. So that is another story for another day. If you want me to talk about it, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for all of you who have been here like since day one and you are still here. I really appreciate it because I know I haven't been consistent. Like, I looked back at my last video is like 4 weeks ago. That's like a month already. So yeah, let's see how this new week goes. Okay guys, this is how I like report my practical. I usually have like something like a snack and thing, and I have a practical textbook that I use. This is Udobong, so I use this practical textbook alongside. I have a lot of tabs open on my laptop because I was also reading for my test, like I said earlier. So this is my practical notebook. This is all the practical sheets that we did. So yeah, that's how I report my practical, and I have like sample reports on my phone, so I still have to open my phone and yeah, look at the format. So you most likely might not see me doing a lot of the videoing and showing, but yeah guys, I had to use this my case more as a laptop stand because my neck I wouldn't want to come down with neck pains this night. So yeah, this is it. I still have more things, so like I was trying to plot this graph, and yeah, let's just get on with it.
Hi Ollie. Hi Luna. How you doing? I'm tired. How was the test? The test was fine, but then what? It was not like thermodynamics test. Hopefully. How was your test?
Okay.
What was the best thing about the test?
It was easier than the previous one.
So how was your test?
It was fine, thank God.
Tell me something that was worse about the test.
It was something good. It was better than last one, far better.
Hi Daniela, how was your test?
It was okay.
What are you looking forward to in this med school?
To graduate.
Expectations for next week.
Next test. I think just test.
How's your test?
It was fine, I thank God.
Okay, so what are you looking forward to in this med school?
Passing second.
You don't make lecturers in class.